It doesn't seem that way to me. It seems like you're doing her bidding. She's a slave master, you're the slave.
So, you did have to make an entire lap to put on the pillow? You couldn't just put the pillow across this and then...
I told you already, I don't need a supervisor. You want to call Margaret? Or better yet, you want to wait until Camille gets here?
Alright, I get it. I shouldn't have said nothing to you. Because you help you out and we're not pay you.
I'm glad you know. Oh, and let Camille know, it's not that I don't have a place to stay. It's just that I am scared to stay there because of the situation.
I know that. Worry yourself. I gotta talk to her.
You definitely should. But please remember to put on the pants this time. Because sometimes your talking doesn't mean anything.
So tell me, where you go for the 2 days you leave here?
So now you want to know.
Threw me under pressure why me never call and ask. You don't know the situation yes already. You don't even realize it at 2 days past.
Shows just how interested you are, Mr. Sullivan.
So, this busy thing make you leave? How that a go?
Yes, Trevor, it's the same situation. But I'm handling it.
When you say ship sail, what that mean? It means say you over me already?
It would be for your benefit that I am over you. Trevor, what I felt for you was real. And I could have fought for you. Even though Camille is a baby mother, or supposedly baby mother. By the way, did you check that now? Because I think that's something you should do.
Camille? Yes. Me have to deal with that right now, man. Alright? Yeah.
Who that? Nice lady?
We met the stairs. Well, I see that you're a man of your words.
Yeah, man. Always a man of my word, you know? And the truth is the place here really get me attention, you know? I like the place, man.
Are you sure it's a place alone?
Well, it's the place and everything that comes with it. Well, not everything, but we can talk about that.
Well, let's have a seat.
By the looks of things, the place free up a little bit now.
Yes, over the weekend, they checked out by yesterday. Most of them is gone.
So I ask you this, I'm not like, suppose me just want to cool out for a day.
Most definitely, anything for you.
Yeah man, big up yourself man. So where are the proprietors? Mr. Sullivan and Mrs. Sullivan to be?
They went out on the road to get some errands done. So I'm just here taking control until they're back.
I think you're doing a very good job, you know. And I'm fortunate to have somebody like you, you know. So polite and even just your visuals and your whole energy. How you deal with the guests.
I appreciate that, Mr. Lindo.
Yeah man. Well, I know I come spend a longer time. But for now, you know, I just want to breeze out Kingston a little bit. Because as a man who used to run a farm, I kind of like the vegetation, you know, I like the green room, I like that kind of quiet vibe here. And even the business I'm in right now is a whole heap of noise, and Kingston is a very populated place. So if you get my meds together, I think we just have to spend the rest of the day, if you don't have a problem with that.
That's no problem at all. You're welcome anytime.
In that case, run this down.
The fact that you're just staying for one day, that would be on you.
I'm not calling you Nicey for nothing. So, which room you giving me?
And guess what? I'll give you the option to choose.
I could choose them.